control of the bike. I can just do this. It's the same.
What's up, everybody? Real quick, before we get this video started, I just want to tell y'all that this video really wasn't meant to be a MotoVlog. It was my first time having my GoPro and all the mic and everything set up. So I really was just testing this stuff out to see how it sounds. So I was doing some talking. So really, I'm trying to say there was no subject of the video. I was just vlogging, testing, see how it would sound. But I decided to just make a video out of it anyway. So technically, it's like my first vlog, but not really. But just going forward, just know there will be more subject-oriented videos. I hope y'all enjoy it. Check it out.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who? Back with another video. MotoVlog, baby. The first one. Skirt. Man, what's going on, y'all? It is Sunday. It is a beautiful day, and I am out riding. I would not rather be anywhere. Ooh, listen to them pops. Pop, 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 pop. Listen to the thing. I'm on my way to go meet a coworker of mine to go riding. This is my first, I don't know if this is going to be the first MotoVlog or what. This is actually only, guys, my fourth ride on the bike. Number 4. I only rode it 4 times since I had it. So I'm still trying to get used to it, you know, and everything. So I'm not sure if this just gonna be my first vlog or just me just riding. And actually, let me go back. This is my first time actually having the GoPro set up too. Basically, this is like a pre-test, a dress rehearsal to see how everything's set up, how the mic work and all that. It might just be a action video where you just listen to the bike go and not me talking. Not really sure yet. We're gonna go up north towards some roads, some back roads. Now, I will tell you, I had never gone on this road before, so I will probably be taking it nice and slow for the most part because it's an unfamiliar road to me, and I'm still learning, guys. So I have not been riding for 3 or 4 years, so I'm basically almost like a brand new beginner rider, man, for the most part. I'm not going to be going crazy just yet. I'm still getting used to the bike, and it is a lot of bike to get used to, and I can tell you that from the jump. So I need to get some gas here really quick first. And then I'm gonna go meet my guy. What time is I supposed to meet him at whatchamacallit? Where's this car going? I was gonna meet him at 1 o'clock, so I'm a little early, which is cool. So let's get some petrol, and then we will be on our way. But I can tell you right now, I'm still trying to get used to the clutch, man. It's super long. The clutch doesn't bite until the very top, like very, very top. Yeah. Anyway, let's get some gas. Am I even recording right now? I am recording. Cool. So let's get some gas and I'll catch y'all in a second. How do you stop this thing? Oh. Did it stop? Nope. Alright. Are we going out 75? Alright. Huh? Okay. So I'm riding with Corey right now. So Corey is a co-worker of mine, has a cruiser style Harley Davidson, not sure which one, but it's a beautiful bike, guy. I'm not gonna lie, the older I'm getting, the more interested I am. Harley style bike, man, like seriously. Don't know why, but it's just something about it that got me super interested. But he's gonna take me on some back roads, so go all the way up towards Anna, which is a pretty good distance. But the things be flying, dude. Them Harleys are very torquey low end, bro. They move out, and I like it, man. Look at the ride position. It's just cool. We're gonna do some back road riding, like I said, which is fun rather than going straight on the highway sometimes. You know, a lot of people talk about ticket strips and stuff like, oh, you got ticket strips, you're not really leaning. Really, it's because I'm in Texas. It's straight like, let me catch up really quick. It's straight like, probably like 80-90% of the roads in Texas are straight. So you're not gonna be doing no dragging knee and all that stuff out here, man. It's just not gonna happen. To kind of practice leaning the bike and moving the bike rather than just sitting here. Anybody can go straight fast in a straight line fast. That's easy. I just grip the throttle and I go fast, right? But like, you know, learning to just, I ain't gonna say put knee down, but just riding the bike, man, just leaning it and feeling it, how it leans and all that stuff. That's what I kind of like doing. Guys, you know what amazes me? So we just passed the accident. It amazes me, like, right now there's not even really people out like riding around right now, but yet you still got people managing to get in accidents. Like, that is insane to me. I mean, how do you manage to get in an accident right now? There's not that many cars out, like, at all. Like, you have to not be paying attention And that was back there was a rear-ender, ran into the back of somebody, you know. Like, there's the police right there to go check out the scene. But yeah, how do you run into the back of someone right now? Like during this time, there's literally like minimum cars on the road, man. You know, so I just don't get it. But people, if you're watching this video, put the phones down, man. Put them down, pay attention. And I'm not gonna say I'm always not on my phone, but I try to make a good habit of not being on my phone when I'm riding or driving, excuse me, and just put the phone down. All right, guys, so now we out on the back roads. They got some gorgeous houses over here, as y'all can see over there, man. I don't know why I feel like I'm not in like a higher gear. I am though. I feel like the bike was just kind of screaming right there for some reason. Look at these houses, look at that. Holy snaps, the thing is huge. Nice little bend right here. Ooh, nice lifted truck. There you go. Nice bend. I can tell you right now, this bike just loves to lean though. Look at these houses, dude. Holy moly. Goodness gracious, that is ridiculous. Too bad these cars are in front of us. It'll be better go through it with some speed, you know. Definitely getting a little more comfortable on the bike for sure. Ooh. Okay, baby. I'm sorry. She didn't like that. Whatever I just did, she did not like. Loose gravel, be careful. Look through the turn. Look at that house, gorgeous. I think Corey wants to go a little faster, but these cars are in the way. Coming up on the lake here now. A lot of people out fishing. Gorgeous day, I'll be honest with y'all. Super gorgeous. Yeah. Oh, look, got more on the lawn. He getting it in early. Oh, look at this. Boy, yes. Whee! Tell you, ain't nothing like riding across a bridge on a motorcycle, man. And you look out there and see all the scenery and stuff. It's just cool, bro. Am I recording? Yeah. You just feel free, man. Look at this. This is gorgeous. You can get this same experience in the car, but you gotta have windows down, top down. But like doing it on the bike, man, it's just a different feel, man. I hope y'all enjoying this view. I know I am. This would have been a good bridge to kind of stretch it out right here though. This is a pretty straight bridge. But you go over, you go in the water. So you probably don't want to do that. Well, actually, if you go in the water, you might be okay. Better than hitting the concrete, right? Nice back row. It surprised me how many people actually live back here, man. While you playing though, this Toyota Corolla in front of us is pushing because we're doing about 70. And this Corolla is really putting the pace. I know a lot of people feel bad when they hold up motorcycles, so they try to speed. Just right there, you saw how fast I could take that turn. This bike just wants to lean, man. He hit that boy like that. Ooh, that's a nice truck. Y'all see that? Ooh. This truck is moving, man. We're going 70 down this back road, and that's a lifted truck too. He is getting it. What beautiful house over here. Really nice, really nice. That's a nice truck. Ooh, big old bug just hit me. Yeah, buddy. Woo! Ain't seen a windmill in years. Woo! Nice backcountry roads, man. This is fun as hell. Look at you just flying. Woo! Corey, getting it. Okay. I like this. A lot of straights, a lot of turns. Move! Move! See, they heard me? Man, we way out here. Dang. Oh, got a nice straight right here. Oh, this is gorgeous, guys. Look at this. Open road, man. Put my cruise control on. Look at this. Open road. Like, insane. And cruise control on the bike. I can just do this. It's insane. Woo-wee! We'll go faster, but I don't know this road, so I'm chilling. Doing 100. Only at 6.5 grand. We ran line at 16. Still got 10 grand left. I love that last section right there we just went through. That was pretty fun. Oh shit, this way. Uh-oh. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Woo! Straight? Okay. Yeah. This way he's talking about motorcycle outpost. Way up here. I don't know where the parking spaces are, but woo. Boy, I love that. Drop that bitch down 2 gears. Disappear. Yes, sir, Q.